Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert gradient color to shape outline in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert gradient color to shape outline in this document. At first you have to go insert menu, then click drawing option, then press plus new option. Now you can see here are windows like this. At first you have to insert a shape. I insert this rectangle, draw this shape. Now I make border color transparent and fill color make it blue. Now right click on this shape, then press copy. Now paste this shape here. Now you can see here are two shapes. Now align my two shape perfectly. Now make smaller to first shape. Now select this first shape and change this shape fill color. I change this light blue. Now align this, resize these two shapes perfectly. Now you can see I resize these two shapes. Now select this last shape. Select this last shape. Then go to fill color option. Now you can see here are gradient fill. Press this gradient fill. Now choose any gradient. Now I choose this one. Now select this, again go to fill color, then click add custom gradient. Now select this first top of gradient, then choose your color. I choose red. Then go to last stop. I choose this color is green. Now add a stop. Now I choose this color is yellow. Then press OK. Then select this both shape to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Then click. Then you can see here are action option. Click this action option and make it group. Then press save and close. Now select this shape to move this shape. To go to image option, now you can see here are text wrapping option. Click this text wrapping option and click in front of text. Now close this windows. Now you can see I add gradient color to shape outline in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.